We are continuing with our coverage of Dr. Joyce Laboso, who passed on today. And here's a look at some of the late governor's memorable moments from the time in Parliament to the helm of the country's leadership.
Once you've offered yourself for a public office, then expect anything from anybody at any time. When you sit on that chair as the speaker, I'm no longer a Jubilee speaker or any other speaker. I am the Speaker of the National Assembly, therefore acting as the arbiter. I, Laboso Joyce Cherono, do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of Governor of Bomet County.